Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. We have the Rolling Freaking Stones. Alright, they never die. Covered in You, that's the title of this cool song. And yes, we're gonna go pretty straightforward with the strumming. Simple chords, 4 with them. If you choose to go with the capo on second, the easiest chords possible for this song. So do that. And before we move on with this tutorial, I have a new channel called Gruvgear Guitar in the same way as this one, but still 6 strings ago added. Okay, I have a link up here somewhere to that new channel. I want you to go and check out that one. Subscribe if you think you like it, because you're gonna play a full song there. It's a full playthrough from beginning to the end. You have chords shown on the screen. You just follow along. You don't have to listen to me rattling about anything. You just play as I do and learn a full song. A great way to kind of get into it and play for your own. So yeah, I need your help, guys. So go and check out that channel now. Let's move on with this tutorial. Capo on second, like I said, 4 chords: D minor, A minor, F, and G. That's what's going on here. Let's start with the D minor first. It goes open D, second G, third B, and first E. You're gonna alternate that with the A minor a lot in the song. So open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Then we have the F, which is a bar chord. You place it in a string like this, crossing all strings on the first fret, and then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. And finally you have the G, and that goes third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Alright, so like I said, very straightforward with the strumming. If you grab the first chord, you have 4 downs as 1 string around. So if you can highlight the third down, it's great, and I do that in a way that I'm playing on the bass strings as much as I can, because for D minor is only 4 strings, so it's hard to separate the bass from the top strings, but still it's easier with the A minor, F, and G. You're gonna play like that, okay? On the third down, I really make sure I go all the way down to the higher strings. So that is 1 string around, 4 downs all. Okay, so let's start with the verse. What you're gonna play here is D minor, 2 string rounds, and A minor, 2 string rounds. You're gonna go back and forth for 12 rounds, okay? You and me, you're just gonna play 1 or 2. Let's do it. You get the idea. 12 rounds of that, and that is the chorus next at 1 minute and 13 seconds in, Covered in You. That's for the lyrics and the title of the song, of course. So what you're gonna play now is 3 rounds of F2, G4, and A minor 2. So 3 rounds of that, and the 4th and final round in the chorus will be to play F2, G2 plus 1 down and the pause. And that pause builds up for the next round of this song, okay? So what I'm gonna play for you now is round number 3, now round number 4, so you get 1 of each. You get the idea of the different parts of this chorus. So let's do it. Alright guys, so that is the chords. Now into the second round, you're going to play that verse play in the exact same way, but only for 10 rounds. Okay, so we are slimming down now to 10 rounds. Then you're going to go into the second chorus and play exactly in the same way as we just learned. No changes there. After the second chorus comes an instrumental part. What you're going to play there is the verse play. Verse play for 4 rounds. Then after that, you're going to jump back into the third verse, and of course, you're going to continue that for another 6 rounds. So the instrumental part plus third verse, 10 rounds in total. Then we're going to go into the final parts of the song, and that is to play the third chorus. And you're going to play only that F, G, and A minor for 3 rounds, not the ending of the 4th and final round. Skip that. And then after that, you're going to play again, continue to play that F, G, and A minor for 4 rounds with the outro, And that, my friends, is how you do it. So a pretty simple song to perform and play. We have 4 chords, basically the verse play and the chorus play, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Covered in You. Yeah. Next time.